Welcome to the eZee Technosis video tutorials. In this video, we will learn how to select booking folio templates from the PMS configuration panel. Let's quickly log in to eZee Absolute System. Once you logged in eZee Front Office, on the right side top corner you will see the username, so please click on here. Now you will find the list of available options. Please select Go to Configuration option here, to jump from Front Office to Configuration of PMS. Here, now we have redirected to eZee Absolute Configuration panel. From here please select on the Settings tab, General, Print and Email Settings. Now select the Print option. From here, you can see this folio detailed template setting, which has a list of predefined templates available. From this list, you can choose the most appropriate folio template for printing your booking invoice. You can also check the preview of each template by selecting it from the list and clicking on the preview button beside it. This will give you a clearer idea of what the template will look like and what details will be shown on the invoice. After selecting the template, click on the Save button available at bottom of the page. That's all you have to do to select the folio template for your guests' invoices. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please click on the like button. Or if you would like to share your valuable feedback, please write it on email address cm@ezeetechnosis.com.